In this video, I will show you how to fix the Do Not Disturb feature on your iPhone. Many users have faced issues where they still receive calls even when Do Not Disturb is turned on. This can be frustrating, especially if you need some peace and quiet. We will guide you through simple steps to ensure that your phone works as it should when you enable this mode. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once inside Settings, scroll down until you find an option called Focus. Tap on it. In the Focus menu, tap on Do Not Disturb. Next, tap on People. This section allows you to manage who can contact you during Do Not Disturb mode. If there are people added here from whom you do not want to receive calls while in Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on their icon. This action will remove them from your allowed contacts list. Now let's talk about another critical setting: allow repeated calls. If this option is enabled, a second call from the same person within 3 minutes will not be silenced. If you wish for all repeated calls to be silenced during Do Not Disturb mode, toggle off the switch next to allow repeated calls. This simple adjustment ensures that even if someone tries calling multiple times in quick succession, their call won't disturb your peace. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.